Hi, this is Daisy, and I'm here to share with you how we can use Dash Robot to complete a classroom-sized board game on ecosystems. By using a programming app called Blockly, students from grades 4 to 6 can code Dash Robot to move, light up, and record sounds until it reaches the board game's finish line. Apart from developing students' computational thinking skills, the purpose of this instructional material is to integrate programming while teaching the need to critically think about environmental issues that affect certain animals and their habitats. Ideally, the classroom-sized board game must be co-created with the students. This way, they can identify the human activities that impact certain animals, as well as the specific ways to protect them and their natural homes. For example, the Eco Board game can describe certain human activities and natural occurrences that affect the migration of common nighthawks that are now considered as threatened by the Canadian government. The teacher will then print the agreed elements in letter-sized paper and tape them together to form a classroom-sized board. Students will then work together to program Dash Robot so that it can navigate the different areas of the board game, avoid obstacles, and perform a series of challenges according to co-created game rules. Each group will take turns in testing the codes they formed through Blockly. They can revise the codes after identifying errors until they are able to program Dash to reach the finish line. Depending on the rules, students may code the robot to play some recorded audio when it lands on a square depicting a safe habitat for common nighthawks, light up when it lands on a solution to protect this migratory bird, or go back to start when it accidentally walks on an obstacle. Using Dash Robot in this lesson aligns with several universal design for learning concepts. When it comes to appropriately designed space, the obstacles that will be part of the Eco Board game and the challenges that Dash Robot will have to complete will be co-constructed with the students to ensure that the learning goals are within the comfortable reach of everyone. As for universality and equity, English language learners and students with special needs will be grouped with other students who can support them to complete modified tasks appropriate to their strengths and needs. Instead of using the Blockly app, they will also have the option to use less complicated apps like Path and Go to navigate the robot within the board game. Finally, when it comes to flexibility and inclusiveness, students are provided with flexible and alternative ways to demonstrate their understanding of scientific inquiry and technological problem solving for science, environmental stewardship for social studies, geometry and spatial sense for math, and media text design for language. Moreover, using Dash Robot to complete an Eco Board game addresses various types of student assessments. Assessment for learning. Students' initial exploration of Dash Robot through the Blockly app will provide evidence on what they know about coding, as well as their existing technical and soft skills related to programming. Assessment of learning. Students' achievement of curriculum expectations will depend on their ability to design a board game that integrates their knowledge on environmental issues and their ability to program Dash Robot to complete the Eco Board game. Assessment as learning. In addition to the ongoing feedback from the teacher as they make necessary adjustments in programming Dash, an online checklist using Google Forms will be completed at the end of the lesson in order for them to assess their own learning. Thanks for watching!